How to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Restart your laptop and check if the issue is temporary. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix unresponsive keys by refreshing the system. If the problem persists, move to the next step. 2. Check for dust or debris under the keys. Use a can of compressed air or gently shake your laptop upside down to remove any particles that may be blocking key presses. If needed, carefully remove the keycaps and clean underneath. 3. Update your keyboard drivers by going to Device Manager. Locate the keyboard under Input Devices, right-click, and select Update Driver. Choose the automatic search option and let Windows find and install any necessary updates. 4. Adjust keyboard settings by going to Control Panel. Ease of Access Keyboard. Make sure features like sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys are turned off, as these settings can interfere with normal typing. 5. Test your keyboard in safe mode to check if third-party software is causing the issue. Restart your laptop, press F8 or Shift plus Restart, and select Safe Mode. If the keys work fine in safe mode, uninstall any recently installed programs that may be causing conflicts. 6. If the keyboard is still unresponsive, try an external USB keyboard. If the external keyboard works, the issue might be hardware-related, meaning your built-in keyboard could be faulty and may need replacement. 7. As a final step, reset your laptop's BIOS settings. Restart the laptop and press the BIOS key, usually F2, F10, or Del, during boot. Find the option to reset BIOS to default settings, save changes, and restart your laptop. If the problem continues, consider replacing the keyboard or seeking professional repair.